and today I'd like to do a small entertaining experiment and make interesting content. I found one strategy that many people praised. I have $100 on my balance and I will enter each trade with a full deposit. This is risky. We select a candlestick chart type with a time frame of 2 minutes. We set the expiration time to 3 minutes. We connect the accelerator, oscillator, awesome oscillator and Donchian channels. For Donchian channels, we set the period to 40 and change the colors for ease of chart analysis. Accelerator oscillator short period is 8, long period is 40 and SMA period is 4. For awesome oscillator, the short period is 4, the long period is 20. Like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, so you don't miss new videos. Link to the trading platform with 50% bonus to the deposit in the description. I open the first trade to buy. First, the chart crosses the white line of the Donchian channel indicator from bottom to top. This is the first signal that the chart will go high. Secondly, we pay attention to the two indicators below. We see that both have an upward movement and green bars, if we exclude the two red bars. Ideally, they should duplicate each other, but this is not always possible. This is our second signal to increase. The first deal turned out to be profitable. Let's move on. Here I open a sell trade and the situation here is completely opposite to the previous one. I want to note the fact that the chart was moving up before the fall, as evidenced by the indicators below. Now the chart crosses the white line of the Donchian channels indicator from top to bottom. This is the first signal that the chart will go down. Secondly, we pay attention to the two indicators below. We see that both have a downward movement and red bars. Up to this point, it is also clear that the chart is moving in waves, sometimes falling, sometimes growing. It didn't work out very well to close the deal, it was close to a refund. However, despite this, we made a profit. I'll try to avoid unnecessary video cuts and immediately find the deal. I need some time. Found a buy trade. First, the chart crosses the white line of the indicator from bottom to top. This is the first signal. Second, we pay attention to the two indicators below and see that both have an upward movement and green bars. Here we were able to fix a good price impulse and earn. Looking for the next deal, asking for a little time from you. Found a buy trade again, and the logic here is absolutely identical to the previous deal. First, the chart crosses the white line of the indicator from bottom to top. Second, an upward movement is visible on the two indicators slowly. Yes, we closed another trade with a profit. You know, I'll find the last trading situation now. I honestly did not even think that this experiment would go so far. Despite all of the risks, the maximum I can lose is my $100. Perhaps this will be the last deal and I will fix the profit. Wow, great trading situation. Too bad I am little late. Here you can see the indicator line crossing from bottom to top, but more than that you can see that the price is moving in waves, first down then up. The indicators below also indicate that the chart has an upward trend. The deal closed with a profit. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you success in trading.